To connect AdWords with Google Analytics, you have to do two steps. First of all, I want you to go to your Google Analytics and at the same time open in the different tab your AdWords account. I want you to log into your AdWords account with an email that is the same as the email you have on Google Analytics. So you have to use the same email in Analytics and AdWords so as to connect them. So after opening the two tools, AdWords and Analytics, first you come to Analytics so as to connect Analytics to AdWords. The second step is to connect AdWords to Analytics. So first of all, let's go to Analytics and press left down the admin section, and then you select AdWords linking. It's in the middle of the page in the property section, so AdWords linking. Here, if you use the same email for AdWords and Analytics, you will see the AdWords account. So here we have an MCC account, so you can see a lot of AdWords accounts, but only one is the right for this client. So we have AS Jewelry, and then I'm going to search for AS Jewelry. It's inside there, the second team, AS Jewelry, well, it's AS Jewelry. So if you have only one account, you will find only one account in this screen. I have a lot of accounts, so I'm seeing a lot of accounts, but I have to select just one as you do. So I select only one account and then I press continue. And then I add a name, maybe I keep the name of the account, and then I want to turn on this button, so not off. You press on it and you turn it on, and then you press link accounts and it's done. You have connected AdWords to Analytics. So you have to do now we have to do the opposite. You have to connect Analytics with AdWords. So now we go back to AdWords account, and then we go here in the settings section and we press linked accounts, and then here we're going to select Google Analytics from the left menu, Google Analytics, and here we have a lot of accounts. We're going to select the first one, edit, and select import site metrics, and then save. You can also import the conversions, the goals. It's something that you have set up on the Analytics account, so you can import them to Google AdWords. So press for goals ready to import, and you can import these goals to Google AdWords so as to check the same conversions in Analytics and AdWords. So add to cart, maybe purchase and transaction, or purchase, import, and you can set a value here, or you can use the value of the Analytics. Done. 30 days and not last click. I always use position based. It's the best option. Last click is something that Google doesn't want us to use, so we have to use linear time decay or position based. It's a topic of a different course on what attribution model to use, but for now let's use position based and press done, and it's done. Import goals, and we're done. So we have finished connecting the two accounts, Analytics and AdWords, and now we can go and check some analytics on our account.